Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate a schedule of loads. A load schedule is a comprehensive list of all electrical equipment and their power requirements within a building. This essential document helps engineers and electricians determine the total electrical demand, ensuring the system is adequately sized. It prevents potential overloads and ensures a safe, efficient electrical installation. To begin, you must identify every electrical load. This includes fixed appliances like water heaters and HVAC units, as well as lighting fixtures and their individual wattage. Don't forget general-purpose receptacles, which are often assigned a standard load value, perhaps 180 volt-amperes per outlet. Always consider potential future additions to ensure your design remains robust. Next, apply appropriate demand factors. These factors acknowledge that not all electrical loads operate at their maximum capacity simultaneously. For example, general lighting might use a demand factor of 100% for the first 3,000 volt-amperes, then 35% for the next 117,000 volt-amperes. Applying these factors, guided by electrical codes, helps prevent oversizing the main electrical service. Finally, sum all your adjusted loads to determine the total electrical demand. For three-phase systems, it's crucial to balance the loads as evenly as possible across each phase. This prevents voltage imbalances and ensures stable operation. Always compare your calculated total load against the available service capacity to confirm your design can safely handle the building's electrical needs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.